Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, and also continue to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that we have fully maximized our target area in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the bounce to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave con 3. Before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you some chart patterns that we have information over here that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started that massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the first wave giving us a peak at around the $0.0268 mark, and after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, we also expected to see some micro waves in formation within the formation of that higher Elliot wave con 3, where I'm expecting the formation of the wave 5 to fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 5, and I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here, where you can see that after seeing the low for that second wave, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structure, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.0327 mark, and also completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave con 1, and after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.02736 mark and the $0.02612 mark, and that is the minimum that I expected that second wave to the lower side to do, and also expected to see an ABC corrective structure also play out in the formation of that wave 2. And now that we have fully maximized our target area in the formation of this wave 2, whatever I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that higher Elliot wave con 3, and to also support the formation of that wave 3, I have chart patterns that are in formation over here that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, and the very first chart pattern is a double bottom, and to draw it out, I can first connect these bottoms that we made down here like that, then I can draw my chart pattern having these as the first bottom, then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and I'm expecting, in case Vechain continues to hold above the 20-day MA, have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up, we might see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, and this is a chart pattern that normally breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and we can get that height and then place it above the neckline to get a minimum target area to the upside, and that is at around the $0.03203 mark. So there are chances, in case we continue holding above the 20-day MA, we might see the breakout and see a high at around the $0.03207 mark, and in case such a move plays out, then that could be the start of the formation of these higher Elliot wave con 3 to the upper side. I also have another chart pattern that is in formation, which is a descending channel, and if I draw it out, we can connect these highs that we made over here like that, then we can also connect the lower side of the channel like that. You can see I have this descending channel that is in formation right here that could possibly also give us a breakout to the upper side, because you can see that we are gearing up after seeing the support of the 20-day MA and have managed to break above the upper side of the channel, that is this upper trend line of the channel, and there are chances that in case we see a retest and the retest is a success of that upper trend line of the channel, then there are chances of continuing to gear up in the formation of this higher Elliot wave con 3. So let's be patient and see how that that plays out, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that higher Elliott wave con 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.